Dear students, in this video we'll speak about the last problem here in our Python core. We finished. So the Pythonicness and packaging. So we'll press and then go to the problem I already solved, which adding words. We will read the problem and then discuss the program which I programmed. Here, adding words. You need to write a function that makes multiple words as each argument and returns a concatenated version of those words separated by dashes. Okay? So the function should be able to take a varying number of words, any number of words as arguments or as arguments as a sample. This is great. And the sample output will be for this will be this dash is dash greet. So we will use the method or the pointer, you know, the pointer of the variable pointer, which is asterisk attached to args as a function of parameter, enables you to pass an arbitrary number of arguments to that function. Actually, this pointer is passing the address of the list. Okay, so we define our method, which is concatenate, or the function in Python concatenate. We named it as concatenate, and its argument as a pointer, which is pointer is a static related to the variable or attached to the variable. Then in the method, we will find the length of the args, which is the number of the args. So we find it by len method, which is built-in method. X equals this variable will equal the length of the args. For I in range of x, so here we have a loop, and the I is the counter in the loop, and start with 0 and the last element in the x, which is n minus 1. Okay? If the number or the length is n, if equals n, x equals n, so the last element will be n minus 1 and starts with 0. If I equals x minus 1, okay, so b, this variable equals args of I. We started with the last element and we decrement. Okay, so print b. Okay, and then if it's last one, the n minus 1, okay, the last one, the before the last, okay, the before the last, not the last one, so we'll print b. If it's not the last, so it will not print b, okay, and not break. So what will happen? It will print args of I. So I of 0. So we'll print the first word, then dash, then n. This n equals apostrophes or quotations. This means the next one will be printed follow to it in the same line, not in a separate line on a new line. Okay, and the SEB equals quotation means no space. It will be attached directly, so the dash will be attached to the first word, and the next word in the next order will be attached to the dash. After that, attached to dash. Okay. Yes. So now we will call, or to execute this function, we will call, or the method, we will call it. We will call it and passing the arguments. The arguments we have three words here, or 4 words. I love Python and ampersand. Okay. So these 4 words will be print. So if we run this, we will find the output which is required, and it's perfect. Okay, and this is the output. So, okay, this is the output. This is the output, the same expected outputs. Okay, so I will put this code in the description. If there is any comments, any questions, write in the comment and I will answer you. If you like this video, uh, share it, like it, and subscribe in the channel. Thanks for listening.